What is up, guys? This is Kyle with Krietz Customs, and here behind me we have our 2022 Ram 1500 Classic that we went ahead and put our touch on. So with this truck here, we went ahead and put the 6-inch rough country lifted strut kit on there, as well as the 35, 12.5, 22 Nitto Recon Grapplers, and the 22x12 fuel assaults in the matte black and milled finish. All right, so we do offer accessory options as well that you can put your own personal spin on the vehicle. We can put any running boards you want on there, either standard or power running boards, multiple different options for the bed cover. And with this truck specifically, we can even take this matte black finish here on the fenders and the bumper and paint them to match the rest of the vehicle as well. One more thing, you got to add the tint. You always have to add the tint. If you guys want to build your truck, send us a message, give us a call at 301-694-4642. Follow us on all social medias, we'll get you taken care of.